Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm back to show you how to make the single crochet pillow cover, a foldable pillow cover. Just you need a crochet hook and a yarn, that's it, no stitching and no buttons or zip required. Very simple and easy to do. If you want to see how I made it, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. All the details about the color, the yarn, the hook and the measurements, you'll find it in the link for the written pattern in the description box. Yes, we'll get started right away. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 50. In the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, I'm gonna make one single crochet. One single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. In the next row and until the end of the work, in the beginning of every row, I'm gonna chain one single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in every stitch. Every row will be the same till the end of the piece. So here I am done with 60 rows of the green color after chaining 45, and I'm gonna join the new color. So from the last stitch I'll put the thread on this side and I'll take the new color and simply join. Oops. This way. All the two threads tight. Chain one and turn. So, and continue single crochet as usual. And again I'll make 60 rows of this blue color and then 60 more rows of the gray color. So here I counted 50 rows of the gray and blue, and then I fold the pillow and I will attach with a single crochet stitch. So with the yarn still attached on the gray, I will insert the hook here and into the green one, leaving this flap behind. I'm gonna join and single crochet till I close the entire side, and repeat the same on the next side. And that's it, like so. So exactly what I did on these sides, single crochet, I'm gonna repeat on this side as well, the second side, and that's it. And here I'm finishing my last stitches before fastening off, and the very last one. The last single crochet, and fasten off. And this is how you achieve the pillow cover. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.